In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace Excel with Airtable. If you've outgrown spreadsheets or want a more collaborative, visual way to manage data, this walkthrough will take you from your existing Excel files to a fully functional Airtable base. First, head to the Airtable website to create your account, then log in. You'll land on the home dashboard, which is where all your workspaces and bases live. Before you import anything, open the Excel files you plan to move. Note the tables you use most, any formulas you rely on, and the general workflow. It's smart to start with one sheet that represents a typical process, then expand once you're comfortable. From home, create a new base. You can start from scratch or use a template if one matches your use case. Give the base a clear, descriptive name that mirrors the contents of your Excel sheet. Inside the base, add your first table and choose Import Spreadsheet. Select your XLSX or CSV file and confirm. Airtable will create fields and records from your columns and rows. Around this point, check the description for a link at the very top. I've placed a direct link to Airtable there, and if you prefer apps, you'll also find download links so you can follow along on desktop or mobile. After import, review each field. Map columns to the most appropriate types, like single line text, long text, checkbox, date, single select dropdown, or attachment. Choosing the right types improves filtering, validation, and consistency. For example, convert free typed statuses into a single select list to avoid typos. Next, replace manual lookups with linked records. Instead of repeating client names in every row, link a projects table to a clients table. This keeps data centralized and prevents duplicates. Recreate your calculations using Airtable formula fields. You can perform sums, averages, concatenations, and conditional logic similar to Excel, so totals, labels, and flags are calculated automatically. Organize your data with views. Use Grid for an Excel-like layout, Kanban for task stages, Calendar for date tracking, and Gallery for more visual records. Save filters and sorts so teammates see exactly what matters. To cut repetitive work, set up automations. Triggers can send email notifications, update records, or sync data between tables when conditions are met. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share, invite teammates, and assign the right permission level, whether read-only, editor, or creator. Finally, test everything. Review the data, links, formulas, and views, and make small adjustments until it flows. That's how to replace Excel with Airtable efficiently. Thanks for watching.